I welcome you once again to the channel. I have taken the hot seat to give you this unlocking winning strategy. The aim of this research work is to identify how to use unlocking lottery to direct numbers 50 and 66. So the two direct 50 and 66 is what we are trying to unlock on this channel. So by the end of this research work, you will be able to use addition 162 and 116 to win lottery from two direct 50 66 Lotto numbers, and that's what I want to share with you. These numbers will surely give you your financial freedom. It will give us our financial freedom one day. You are on the channel Agyemang Appiagyei. This is the channel name. Always say this name on YouTube anytime that you're on YouTube, and you will get all videos being uploaded on the channel. This channel is aimed at helping you to get two direct numbers, three direct set of numbers, four direct set of numbers, temptation set of numbers, including a whole lot of strategy. So subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. This will help you to get notification from YouTube anytime a new video is being uploaded on the channel. If you wish to donate to the channel after using any of the strategies to win the lottery, you can donate through the MTN line 0245773322. The registered name is Duah Agyemang. And first example from the middle lottery. For this strategy, we're going to use two different examples that I'm going to share with you. So the middle lottery, the year 2013 is where we are taking our research example from. We need one of the event numbers to begin with our research number. So let's pick event number 511. At event number 511 for middle lottery, this were the set of winnings and the machine number that dropped. So event 511, event number 511 was able to drop 70, 39, 87, 67, and 53 as a set of winning numbers. Then the machine number that dropped include 52, 6, 75, 63, and 41. So the numbers in blue ink are the winning numbers that drop, and the numbers in red ink are the machine numbers that drop. So now let me show you the simple strategy behind the system to give you the two direct set. When you have any set of winning numbers and machine numbers in 5-lottery system, this is what you have to do. Now you add numbers in the winning side to get addition number 162. So in winning, we need addition 162. So let's see if the numbers of the winning numbers will give us addition 162. So the number 70 plus 39 plus 53 on the line of winning numbers will give addition 162. When you have it, this is the first part that you have achieved. You need a second part to also achieve with the total key of the research work. So when you get addition 162 in winning, you need addition 116 in machine. So let's check the machine numbers and see. So the machine numbers, when you add 75 and 41, you get addition 116. So addition 116 in machine and addition 162 in winning will help us to get our two direct set of straight numbers, which is the 50 and 66. When this strategy has been achieved, you have to stick your two direct 50 and 66. This is the first example. We are going to go on to see if these numbers will drop. But after this example, there is little trick that I will share with you, and that is the second example that I'm going to do. So we are on event number 511, where the key has said following week results, or the next results is event 512. So let's check. At event number 512, this is where the set of winnings that dropped. Event 512 was able to drop 81, 30, 23, 50, and 66. So the number 50 and 66 were able to drop live because the addition 162 was able to achieve at the winning side addition 116. at the machine number side. So it gives winning ticket straight money, a lot of money winning ticket, a lot of money. Like my dear Rambo always says, or fights, we keep on fighting. We have to keep on fighting. The game may be tough, but at the end we get our winning, or we win the race. Now let's pick the second example. The second example is still taken from the Mary Lotto the year 2015. So we need one of the event numbers where the key is set. Then we'll use it to explain the second part of this strategy, and there is a little trick, very small niche trick that I'm going to share with you here. Let's see. So the winning numbers are the event number 599 include. So event 599 drop 22, 6, 72, 5 and 90 as the winning set of numbers, and the machine number that drove with it include 78, 11, 38, 21 and 25. So the numbers in blue ink are the winning numbers that dropped, and the numbers in red ink are the machine numbers that dropped. Now we have this set of winning numbers. Now we need to add some numbers at the winning side and some numbers at the machine number side to provide addition 162 in winning and addition 116 in machine. Now the trick is that the first one uses 3 winning numbers. Now let's check this one. How many numbers it will use? So when you add the number 72 and 90, it provides addition 162. So this second example, the trick is that it did not use 3 numbers. It used 2 numbers, 72 and 90, to provide addition 162. Now it has been achieved. We need to go to the machine side and see the number that will drop to give addition 116. So the machine numbers 78 and 38 will provide addition 116. So once again, the key has been achieved, and you need to stick these numbers. The number that we use in the first example, or the research number, the unlocking to the reset numbers, is 50 and 66. This is the unlocking to that set of number that you have to stick. Anytime you get addition 162 in winning and addition 116 in machine. But let me tell you another trick. We see the first one used 3 numbers, the second one I've used 2 numbers. The next time that is it will set again, it may decide to use even 4 numbers or even all the 5 numbers to give addition 162. When it happens in that situation, you still have to stick the numbers 50 and 66 if you get the correct addition 116 in machine. Lottery involves a lot of trick. Or the whole of winning numbers, or the winning numbers can give you addition 162, and all the machine numbers can also give you addition 116. It's lottery. Try your luck, but in that incident, you should not involve too much money in it. You spend little money on it. Okay, so let's see the number that will drop. You have the number 599. Following week will be the number 600. Let's see. At the number 600, this was the set of winning that drop. So event 600 was able to drop 66, 56, 50, 3 and 28. So the numbers in green ink are the target to direct 66 and 50. So that is how the number 66 and 50 unlock from the system to give 2 direct straight winning numbers. This is unlocking 2 direct winning numbers that I've shared with you. Money came to the pocket. Anytime I wish you that the key said you get money in your pocket, get a huge sum of money. When there is money, everybody feels happy. Time for your time being with me. I wish you good luck in lottery. Stay blessed.